Welcome back to If you're a fan of motorcycles and the latest in two-wheel technology, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the 2025 Honda GB3 50C, a bike that promises to redefine what we expect from lightweight motorcycles. So grab a seat and let's get started. The 2025 Honda GB3 50C is an exciting addition to Honda's lineup. Designed for urban commuting and fun rides, this motorcycle combines practicality with innovative features. Its sleek design and lightweight frame make it accessible for both new riders and seasoned veterans looking for a nimble ride. At first glance, the GB3 50C catches your eye with its modern aesthetics. The streamlined bodywork not only looks good but also enhances aerodynamics. The color options range from vibrant reds to subtle grays, appealing to a wide audience. But it's not just about looks. Honda has put significant thought into functionality as well. Now, let's talk about the heart of the GB3 50C, the engine. This motorcycle is powered by a 50cc single-cylinder engine. While that might seem modest in terms of displacement, it's important to remember that the GB3 is designed primarily for city use. The engine is air-cooled, lightweight, and incredibly efficient, providing a smooth ride even in stop-and-go traffic. The power delivery is impressive for a 50cc engine. It offers enough torque for quick accelerations, making it perfect for navigating busy streets. The top speed is around 50 mph, which is more than adequate for urban commuting. Honda has also implemented a user-friendly fuel injection system, ensuring that riders can enjoy better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Handling is a crucial aspect of any motorcycle, and the GB3 50C does not disappoint. It features a telescopic front fork and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This setup provides excellent stability and comfort, whether you're cruising on smooth roads or tackling rougher terrains. The bike's lightweight frame contributes to its agility, making it easy to maneuver through traffic. You'll find that cornering is effortless, thanks to the bike's low center of gravity. This makes the GB3 an excellent choice for new riders, as it offers confidence-inspiring handling characteristics. When it comes to comfort, the Honda GB3 50C offers a well-designed seat that caters to both short trips and longer rides. The seat height is approachable, making it easy for riders of all sizes to plant their feet on the ground. Additionally, the riding position is relaxed, allowing for a comfortable grip on the handlebars and reducing fatigue on longer journeys. Foot pegs are strategically placed to accommodate a natural riding posture. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a weekend ride, you'll appreciate the ergonomic design that Honda has prioritized. In terms of technology, the GB3 50C is packed with features that enhance the riding experience. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing all the necessary information at a glance: speed, fuel level, and trip information. This modern display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight. Additionally, the bike is equipped with LED lighting, offering improved visibility for both the rider and other road users. This is a crucial safety feature, especially for those riding at night or in low visibility conditions. Honda has also incorporated a smart key system, allowing for keyless ignition. This not only adds a layer of convenience but also enhances security, making it harder for thieves to steal the bike. Safety is paramount when it comes to motorcycles, and the GB3 50C comes equipped with several features to ensure rider safety. Anti-lock braking system ABS is standard, providing excellent stopping power and preventing wheel lockup during sudden stops. This feature is particularly valuable for new riders who may be less experienced in managing braking in tricky situations. The tires are designed for optimal grip, allowing for better control in wet or slippery conditions. The bike's lightweight nature also aids in maneuverability, enabling riders to respond quickly to obstacles and traffic. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Honda GB3 50C is its potential for customization. Honda offers a range of accessories that allow riders to personalize their bikes. From different seat styles to handlebar grips and luggage options, the possibilities are endless. Customizing your motorcycle can enhance not only its appearance but also its functionality, making it uniquely yours. This level of personalization appeals to riders who want their bike to reflect their personality and riding style. When evaluating the GB3 50C, it's essential to consider its competitors in the market. Bikes like the Yamaha WZ-FR50 and the Suzuki GSX-R50 are often seen as direct competitors. While these models offer similar specifications, the Honda sets itself apart with its balance of performance, comfort, and advanced features. Honda's reputation for reliability also gives the GB3 an edge over its rivals. Owners of Honda motorcycles often report high levels of satisfaction and lower maintenance costs, which is an attractive proposition for any rider. So, who is the 2025 Honda GB3 50C designed for? Primarily, it targets urban commuters looking for a practical and efficient way to navigate city traffic. However, it also appeals to new riders who are just starting their motorcycle journey. The GB3's ease of use, combined with its stylish design, makes it a perfect first bike. Experienced riders will also find joy in the GB3 for its lightweight handling and the fun of zipping through tight spaces. In summary, the 2025 Honda GB3 50C is a versatile motorcycle that packs a lot of value into its compact frame. With its modern design, efficient engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced features, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to embrace the joy of riding. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, the GB3 50C delivers a satisfying experience. Honda has truly created a bike that meets the needs of today's riders. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive into the 2025 Honda GB3 50C. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to channel name for more motorcycle content. Have any thoughts or questions about the GB3? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.